Alright, it's your boy Mad Dog. We're here in Cadillac. And this is the Dude's Moto Vlogs. And we're gonna do some riding here. I found this little narrow trail here, so hopefully it should be pretty fun, I guess. I normally like these kind of trails. Alright, those are all pickers. Soft sand. As you can tell, the leaves have been falling off the trees like crazy. Kind of weird because it's 80-some degrees, but I think they said it was like 88 degrees today or something. But that's just that pure sugar sand and dry as a bone. There's no moisture at all in it. Oh yeah, right there. I think I'm gonna turn around because right there's the road. I rode down that road for quite a ways and there was nothing along there until I came to this. But I think I should have went the other direction on this road, or I mean on this little trail. Jeez, sand's so soft, it sucks the bike right in. These trails, I think, are a little better if you get a little bit of moisture in the ground. Right now, they're just bone dry. Oh, front end wanted to wash out. That's what this bike is notorious for, is the front end washing out. Because they were trying to make a bike that the front end washed out on all the time. Mission accomplished. Hopefully the trail continues farther down. Because in here it'd be cooler because it's like 88 degrees. So if you come down here where it's a little damp, the trail would be a lot cooler. Yes, there's an arrow here. Stump. Boy. It's all big stumps through here. You gotta watch your feet and your foot pegs. Chipmunk. When you're getting air off roots, it's pretty rooty. Jesus, fish. This bike sees sand. First thing it wants to do is fall over. It's the only bike I've ever ridden it. The front end just totally washes out. If it sees sand, it washes out. Oh no, this would be cooler if the trail was like this. But then you just come back out to dry, soft sand. Till the bike gets hot. You're doing that slow speed stuff. Oh! That's a big stick. Hit my helmet. Then when you land into a root. Seems like on these trails in here, every time I pick up the pace, something hits my helmet, or the bike wants to wash out, or there's always an issue. And I hit that sand there. It was like I was on the brake. I was hitting the gas, and I think the bike slowed down. Another area where they clear cutted the land.